Hey everybody! Welcome to the How to Build the Complete Marketplace and Daily Deals application with Swift video series. In the last video, we added UI collection view into the stores view and make some customization about the UI collection view cell. In this video, I am going to show you how to populate UI collection view data from the server. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I am going to hide Assistant Editor to make screen a bit bigger. And then in the project navigator, open stores view controller.swift file. UI collection view data source protocol defines data source methods for providing the data of the UI collection view. To populate data in the UI collection view, we have to implement two methods defined in the UI collection view data source protocol. So, I am gonna extend this view controller class with the UI collection view data source protocol. If you hold the Command K and click UI collection view data source right here, you can see two methods that we have to implement. So, I am going to copy these two methods and pass them stores view controller right here. We don't need these codes here and I'm gonna delete that. Now open and close parentheses, also open and close parentheses. First method will return the number of the items in the collection view, and the second method provides the data for the collection view cells. The next thing we need to do is declare an array for the stores data. So go over here, private variable stores store array. As you can see, now we need to declare a store class. To do that, in the project navigator, select in the mobile directory and right click. I am gonna create a new group and name it models. On the models directory, right click, create a new file, iOS, source. I am gonna select Swift file and click next. Name it store and create. Right here, class name store. I want to have name and total product count properties for store class. Private variable name string, private variable total product count integer, and then we need a init function. Name type of string and total product count int self.name equal name self.total total product count not counts. I want total product count equal total product count. Okay, now we have declared a store class and we have name and total product count properties. Let's go back to the stores view controller.swift file and go ahead. Here we can return counts of stores now. So return stores.count. First method is okay now. And let's coding for the second one. Here we need to return a collection view cell. Before moving on, I want to create a custom cell to customization for the collection view cell. So in the project navigator, select IndiryMobile directory, click on the IndiryMobile directory and right click here, select a new group and name it custom cells. And on the custom cells directory, right click and create a new file. iOS and source, I am gonna select Cocoa Touch class and click next. I want to create a class that is a subclass of the UI collection view cell. So I'm gonna change here UI collection view cell and name it custom store cell and click next to create. And right here I'm gonna create a new variable for the store logo. IB outlet weak var store image view type of UI image view. Okay. Again, let's go back to the stores view controller. And right here, we need some coding. As I said before, we need to return a UI collection view cell. So declare let cell and collection view deque reusable cell with reuse identifier cell and index path. And I'm gonna cast it to the custom cell, custom store cell. Yes. And then return cell. Before returning this cell, we need to set store image. So right here, let store image type of UI image equals create a new UI image named self.stores at index path index path dot row name, and then we have an error here, couldn't find member name. Let's open the store.cv file, and here we need to make it public, so I am gonna delete private, and let's go back to the stores view controller, and the last thing we need to do is cell dot stores image view dot image equals store image. Okay,